Hi, Leanne and Jeff here. Realty One Group, another edition of Inspirada TV.
We are out at 2801 Gallarate. This is the very back of Inspirada, and we are really close to Montagna Park. I like this. This is a KB build. What, built in 24?
This was built in 2024. It's, practically new.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And we do love this floor plan.
Yeah. It's over 3,000 square foot. So
we have filmed a few of these. It's got the zebra shades. Love these.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Right, so you got a little half bath down. Quite tucked away from the rest of the house, which is nice. But I love how big this floor plan is here.
What a great space. That is spectacular.
So we've seen this model different ways, where there's double doors right here into a den. Other times it's a bedroom with a big utility closet. Other times it's a bedroom with a full bath down. So stay tuned for that. Don't you go anywhere.
That is a gorgeous fireplace
setup. It is.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I like that. I like these dark black cabinets too. So 42-inch uppers kind of have some shine to them. Stainless steel appliances. So
I find it. I love the tile in here.
I do too.
Yeah, super modern. This one is
rollouts.
So this one is 3,066 square foot, and it's priced at $715,000. $715,000. That's a great price. $233 a square foot. And the refrigerator and washer and dryer, everything stays. This is a great kitchen.
Yeah, good sized pantry. If you're into food and a place to store it. But I really like this waterfall too. Undermount sink.
Yeah. The waterfall comes with the property.
But do you?
No, I do not. Technical difficulty. Oh.
So this is what I was really excited about.
This is awesome.
So Gallarate runs the entire back of Inspirada. So nothing behind you, and then all of this back here is part of Sloan Canyon. So there's a 1.5 mile hike back there that will take you to petroglyphs. It's nationally protected land. So these views are just amazing out here.
Spectacular. Yeah, this is a great backyard.
You can even catch parts of Red Rock out near Summerlin.
It's getting more windy. My heart.
This is a good sized lot too.
It's really big.
It'd be really nice to add a covered patio.
Yeah, yeah, but you can add those. They're not that expensive.
Yeah, we just had a co-worker at the office.
Yeah.
She maybe paid $4,000 to have one done.
Yeah, it was amazing. And it was a big one, like the whole length of her house, so it was nice.
So a little area for a mudroom here. But you can just see how massive this.
It's so big.
It's so big.
Yeah. And the fun part of that is you can be creative with your furniture placement and how you want to use the space.
So this one has the full bath down.
Nice.
which is probably the most reasonable use. The one that we filmed before where that is an entire like utility closet.
Yeah. Maybe if somebody needs an awful lot of storage.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But this is really nice if you have older relative living with you who can't do stairs. They have their own bath, own bed down.
Or guests.
Yeah.
Yep.
The water filtration system, tankless water heater. This feels really clean, but again, it's only a couple years old.
Yeah, exactly. Lightly used. Yeah, this space is amazing. And then you have a half bath.
Yep.
Yeah.
And more storage under the stairs.
Closets and closets. Awesome. All the way.
So as always, we ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here filming homes every week. And our channel has more than 500 videos, all focused around Inspirada. So I really like this space too with the loft.
Great loft.
And that open staircase is pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a great floor plan for sure. Okay.
Carpet's in really good condition.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's like new. I wonder if they, well, again.
2 years old.
That house is pretty new.
Do the washer and dryer stay?
Yes, they do. You want to ask me again?
Okay.
Oh.
So bedroom number 2, we have the one down. Oh, with its own ensuite up here.
Surprise. So. That's amazing. Gosh, if you have a teenager.
Mm-hmm.
Whew.
You will never see
them. You will
them.
never. They have to come downstairs for food.
Yeah, and then this is probably the land to where all the glasses and forks disappear to.
Yes, that's where they all go.
So walk-in closet. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3's here. This is a good floor plan.
Yeah, it's a great floor
Bedroom
plan.
4, especially, Leanne and I raised 3 boys. So this would have been a pretty sweet floor plan for us.
Yeah. And a full bath over here.
Dual vanities, tall sink base. And we already talked about the laundry. We head over to the primary. So double door entry, really spacious. Yeah, because if you had your bed here, you've still got all of that space. Let's just get another look out the back for you.
That's amazing.
It is.
Like you can have your windows in your bedroom open.
You could.
Like, it's amazing.
And they did the zebra blinds throughout the entire home.
Through the whole house. Yeah. Oh, wow. Huge closet.
So this turns the corner and goes back here too.
Yes. And you have the bath. Water closet.
So yeah, Leanne's favorite.
Wow, this tub is super deep.
It is, and big. I mean, you probably run a
tub.
cannonball right into that. Cannonball run.
Yeah, you should run. I should run.
So as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you'd like to see this home or any other one, please let us know. Leanne and I live out here, and it is super convenient for us. All right. Although we drive to Aliante if you want to see something there too.
That's true.